everybody. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Today I'm going to talk a little about doing your first maintainer object with the ARIN routing registry. Now I have several posts on my blog about routing registries, the good, the bad, what to do, and I'm going to post this template also on a blog post relating to this video. But I just wanted to show you some of the thoughts I go through when I do a maintainer object, which is the first thing you need when you want to start working with ARIN's routing registry, and really anybody's routing registry. So, I got a little text document here. I create a new one. I copy and paste from the last one I did. That way I don't have to recreate the wheel every time. And I kind of can keep track of some information here. So, this is for me. This is kind of a fictitious maintainer object that I have. If you notice if you're astute and you try to do a ARIN who is on this organization ID, it's not there. So I just kind of made up one in ARIN's format. So don't ding me on that. That's just for the purpose of this tutorial. If I'm working for a client, I put what pertinent emails are related. Again, this is a fictitious email, I believe. I'm not sure. I have so many out there. So, but the meat of this is this stuff. This is the maintainer template. Again, this is the object that starts it all. You have to have a maintainer object to do AS sets, to do IP space, all that. Again, most of this is explained in some blog posts I've done on j2sw.com. I'll probably do some videos on some of this other stuff depending on how this goes. But here's some pertinent information. My this right here actually is my made up organization ID. This is actually my point of contact, my POC. That is a legit POC. Again, my maintainer object. This is my org ID. So one of the first things you need to do is you need to generate an MD5 password. So make it something, fairly secure. This is ARIN's one, so I just do some random stuff. Fairly random. So I will copy this because I need the clear text and the plain text. Or plain text and the MD5. So I'm going to go back over here to my thing. Here's my plain text. Here's my MD5. So now I know that. And I'm going to need these when I need the MD5 for the maintainer object. From then on, the rest of your templates use the plain text. So if this was a new one, I've already filled in some of this for the sake of time. So maintainer object is the org ID. A description is what'll show up. The admin contact, that's my POC record with ARIN. My tech contact, that's my POC record. This is my J2SW email, which is allowed to do object updates. I'm going to change this to j2sw.com. Then I'm going to take my MD5 key. There's my MD5 password. I'm going to change this. I've already, there's my maintainer. My org ID. With the maintainer template, they're always going to have the MNT- your org ID. So it's always going to be in that format. j2sw.com. So you take all of this, you paste it into a plain text. That's very key. Plain text email to ARIN. which is, I believe, rr at arin.net. There's a pretty cool tutorial on ARIN's website, and so you can go through that. I'll link that on the blog page. But that's really the how to get it all started. If you have a good template and you know what the fill in, you can rinse and repeat this as many times as you can. So thanks for tuning in.